I have been doing a lot of projector reviews on this channel recently, and what good is a projector if you don't have something nice to project it on? And today I've got a really affordable, easy to use, portable projection screen that I think you're gonna love. What's up everybody? Welcome to the Phase Reviews YouTube channel. My name is Jordan, and if you are new here, thank you for joining me, and if you're a subscriber, as always, welcome back. Today on the review table, I have a projector screen from the brand Muka. I've reviewed one of their projectors in the past. It was a great little projector. And this is going along with their philosophy of affordable tech products, things you can get at a good deal that also provides a good value. In this review today, I'm gonna unbox this, I'm gonna show you what comes in the packaging, tell you about my experience using it, and let you know whether or not I think it's worth picking up for yourself. Now, if you're not already a subscriber, I would love to have you become one. Go ahead and ring the notification bell, leave a comment if you like this video, hit the like button. It helps the channel grow immensely. But enough of that, let's take a look at this Muka portable projector screen. Okay, so first things first on this channel, I usually do packaging, but as you can see, this is already unpackaged. Wasn't a product that I could probably put back in the box very well. So you're gonna see the unboxing overlaid on top of this portion of the video while I speak about kind of what comes in this package. But the packaging itself is just a plain cardboard box, nothing to write home about there. Inside, you're gonna find the screen itself folded up very nicely. It's a nice kind of Lycra material, a little bit of flex to it. It has a line of rings along the top to hook it to the top bar of the stand, as well as some loops to hook through the sides of the screen. Now, the stand for this projector screen is included, and that was huge to me. I've previously been using a Lycra elastic screen that I had to tack onto my wall with a ton of different little thumbtacks, and it's just a huge pain. Having a stand means I can take this anywhere, put it up in any area of my house. I can even use it outdoors, and it offers a lot more portability than one you have to stretch onto a frame you buy separately or tack to a wall. Okay, so in the box you're going to get the screen itself. You're also going to get the pieces for the frame. There are 9 metal tube portions, 3 for the sides, 3 for the top, so 3, 3, 3. You're also going to get a small tripod type base. You're going to get a couple plastic corner pieces to put the supports and the crossbar together. You're also going to get some metal stakes. They look like tent stakes, as well as some rope string type stuff. And then you're going to get a bag, which you will see in the rest of the video, and you probably already saw at the beginning of this video. So big props to them for including a bag. It makes taking this around very easily. The individual metal pipe sections are probably only 18 inches, 2 feet long, and so it folds up very compact. The bag is pretty thin, nothing to write home about. Don't abuse this, but it should let you take it around from place to place, provided you treat it nicely. Now, setting up the screen is very simple. Just unfold the little tripod stands and then insert the poles. There's 3 poles for each side, and then 3 come together for the crossbar, and then the top support bar and the 2 vertical posts are hooked together via these plastic corner pieces. Okay, and then before you hook the top bar onto the side bars, make sure that you run the vertical supports on the tripods through the little pockets on the outside edges of the screen. Then you can put the top bar on, and then you can use the included plastic clips to hook onto the top crossbar of the projector mount and then into the little eyelets on the screen itself. That's how you set it up. It is super duper simple. Now, the construction wise, everything is very lightweight. The plastic corner pieces very plasticky, very, very lightweight. You don't want to like put any of this through the test of crushing or dropping. This is a very lightweight projector stand. That being said, once I got mine set up, it was plenty stable for my uses, no tipping over or anything like that. Now, the tripod bases are very, very small, and they're also extremely lightweight. They're probably the cheapest filling part of the kit. If you're using this indoors and you don't have kids running like around and into the projector screen, you know, in a business environment, it's going to work great. Outdoors, you're going to want to use the included stakes and rope to tie down the screen. You can just tie it up to the top of the corner pieces, 4 pieces of rope, 1 down to each corner, and you can stake that into the ground, and that should keep it from tipping over or blowing away. Now, the screen looks great. It is a little wrinkly out of the bag, and I think folding it up to transport it is going to cause that to happen every time. You can steam it or iron it, or if you just put enough tension on it, it should pull out most of the wrinkles so that in the dark you're not really seeing those. It's a good material. The image quality on the screen itself looks phenomenal. In the dark, I don't really see any of the wrinkles, and I didn't iron mine. The image is bright and clear. The dark portions are dark. The light portions are light. It looks much, much better than projecting on a wall or even like a bed sheet. And I just love how compact and easy this is to transport. You can see it folds right up. I can throw this in a car to take camping or to do an outdoor movie night in the backyard. Or if you're using this for business, you could take this to hotel bar rooms to do presentations. It's a really compact, lightweight, easy to transport screen. Now, like I said, quality is what you'd expect for the price. I believe these are sub $100, so that's a killer price point for a screen and a stand, but just keep your expectations in check. All in all though, I much prefer this to the Lycra screen with no stand that I have to tack to my wall or like tie up to other poles or other supports. This is self-contained and it's everything you need to get going. So if you want to buy this Muka projector screen plus stand, you can find the link down in the description. You can buy through there and it will support the channel, help me keep bringing you awesome content. If you want to see more reviews, any certain type of product, let me know. I've been covering everything from headphones to video lighting to projectors and projector screens to earbuds. Let me know what you want to see on this channel and I will hopefully get some reviews for you. But that's going to be all for today. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you next time.